guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got my non-horsey friends to react to my bad show jumping and cross country rounds, and I'm just kind of let you watch it, and also if they make mistakes on it and stuff like that, I'll go back and pause it and say something about it and all that. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video and like and subscribe.
Okay, so here we are with Florence Bascott and our horse Dalisu Elenid Flat.
I don't know if the way Holly said it's right or not, but we call it Dilithite Elenid Flare. But the way Holly said it might be right.
But we're just gonna call her Ellie because I can't say that every time. So Ellie and Florence right now are show jumping, I think. Very good speed, good jump. I'm just gonna, I don't know, say a joke. What did the horse say when it fell? It said, "I've fallen and I can't get up." Ha ha ha, that's so funny.
I've got to be honest with you, Holly, I did actually laugh at that joke and I thought it was pretty hilarious.
I know, I'm just hilarious. Yeah, I'm just hilarious, yeah, okay. Amazing riding again. Definitely quality, this is very good. Like and subscribe and follow her Instagram account. Oh my god, I thought she fell. Her Instagram account, Yawning Horse. Amazing riding. Amazing riding.
I also found it funny how you were saying amazing riding and all that as I'd had a refusal.
Go Florence. Ooh. Yeah, amazing.
Hello, so I'm gonna be doing Florence's voiceover of her riding her horse. And yeah, this video is 2 minutes long, which is quite long of watching someone riding a horse jumping over obstacles, but I just guess it's normal. Also, I don't know anything about horses, so if I say anything stupid, it's because I don't know anything. Yeah. Anyways, I can see that the horse didn't make it for that one. Better luck next time. But it's going in for a second try, and it made it. So I think all the obstacles are different heights.
They're actually all the same height, or maybe a 5 centimetre difference in some of them, and it was a 70 centimetre round. But well done, Sarah.
Well, I mean, they should be, because I think he's jumping over some and he's doing all right, and then there was that one that he couldn't make it, so I think they're different heights.
I'm pretty sure Sarah knows that Ellie's a girl, but I might be wrong. But yeah, if she says he, then I'm not sure why, but yeah.
But yeah. And the horse and Florence are doing a pretty good job, because he only missed one, but he still made it. So yeah, that's really good. Oh, it knocked down the bar.
It's a pole, but pretty much the same thing.
But at least he made the jump, so I guess that's great as well. And that's cute because it's got the British flag on it. Cute. All of these are cute, actually. They've got some pink and blue ones, and that's adorable. Oh, Florence, you need to be careful. She nearly fell off then. But yeah, at least she's okay. And the horse is going in for a second try, and it made it.
We technically didn't really make it because we still knocked the pole, but it's fine.
Like a boss. But yeah, that's it.
Lovelies, so I'm doing a voiceover for Florence. Get her on Instagram at yawning.horse. Get her to 7k because that'll be pretty sick. So I don't know anything about horses at all. But it's fine. I'm gonna do this. Don't really know what to say. But yeah,
We're
no.
trotting, but
So,
that's the first
I
I've
think
heard.
she's galloping
normally
on the
people say
horse.
cantering's galloping, but new one.
Maybe. Don't know. I think she's trying to get some speed before she jumps the actual obstacle pole thing. I think she's going to try and jump it now, so let's see. No, okay, well, maybe a second try will be better, because that was a bit slow, to be honest. You know, to jump a pole, that was a bit damn slow. But it's fine. Let us see, we're there. I think this will be a good one. Let us see, let us see. Oh, yes! Sorry, headphone users, by the way, I'm a bit loud. But either, oh, she jumped again, that was a 2.
I think
2,
she
wow,
went horse
she's a
riding, but it's
beautiful
basically the same
equestrian.
thing, isn't it?
I don't know if that's the word. But gorgeous. Will she make it again? Well, no. Well, it was fine. Okay, so I think she's gonna try again, get some more speed, you get me? And let us see if she'll do it this time. She jumped. And another one. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. You see me? That was gorgeous.
I really
Basically,
don't know what
everybody
I'm
learned
doing.
from Florence. She knows what she's doing. She knows the whole vibe, and her horse is absolutely sexy. That was amazing. Okay, it's fine. The last one wasn't the best, but
Okay, right, so here's Florence on her horse, and then she's not really, okay? She's going over a fence. Oh no, she's not. Right, here she goes, on the horse, just having a bit of a stroll, you know, here she goes, right? She's going quicker, and then which one's she going to jump over? None of them. Okay, right, oh, yes, Florence. She's getting faster. Right. Oh, I see the fence. Oh, here she goes. Oh. Well, that was absolutely brilliant. I think that was supposed to happen. Yeah, that was planned. It was like to get the suspense up for everyone.
Izzy was in fact right. I did plan this. I just wanted to get everyone waiting and anxious for my show.
And then it just, didn't happen. But it's fine, because take 2. Right, here she comes, is she coming? No? Oh, yes, here goes Florence, and then, oh, yes, what an icon, that was absolutely amazing, like, she should go to the Olympics. Oh, she's going again, right, here she goes, oh, the talent, you're very talented, Florence, she did another one, I think, I don't know. I was just admiring your talent.
Thank you, Isabel. I've also got to say, excuse the videoing, it's pretty shocking. And you can't see me some of the time as well, but it's fine, you can see most of the jumps.
Right, so here she goes. Florence, you're actually really amazing though, just saying. Alright, so, oh yes. That is amazing. Right, so I'm wondering which of these snazzy jumps she's going to do next. Oh, is it this one? Oh, yes, that was absolutely perfect. Amazing. Okay, here she goes. Florence, I think you should enter the Grand National. With your horse, Ellie, you would be, enter the Grand National. I'll cheer you on. I'll wear one of those funny hats and just cheer you on. Right. Okay. Oh, here you, oh. You were going really fast there, Florence, you would win that Grand National. Beat, whoever won this year, Tiger Roll. See, yeah, I know my horse racing. Right, here you go. Oh, yes. Right, Florence, you're doing absolutely brilliantly. This is amazing. Oh, the talent you have. Get her to 10k, guys. Yes, Florence. What an icon. Oh, right. I mean, that was a tricky fence, so I'll give that one to you.
It was actually quite a tricky fence because he didn't have much time to turn from number 9 to 10. But yeah.
You know, we can't have them all. Right, here you go again. Okay. Oh, you went in a circle. How snazzy. Not many people can do that, so credit to you.
Well, what I actually thought was I'd been eliminated and I had to go out, but turns out I could do number 10 again just so I could get her over it. Thank you. It is my cross-country colours and they are very snazzy. You should go and check out Hardy, etc. because that's where they're from and they are incredible. We have some serious talent. The base layer was not from Aztec Diamond, but the Jodhpurs were.